Are you tired of messy expense entries that mess up your books? Learn to create an expense in Zoho Books in under 2 minutes. We'll start by opening Zoho Books, then walk through each field: account, amount, payment account, and customer. Follow along. Let's open Zoho Books. Click on the plus icon in the top right. Then choose Expenses from the dropdown. Now, click on Select an account and pick the one you need. For example, let's choose Cost of Goods Sold. Click on Tax Exclusive. Then, type in the amount for the expense. Click on Select an account again and choose where the money came from. For instance, select Petty Cash. Type a reference number for tracking. And add any notes you need. Now click on Select or Add a Customer to link this expense. For example, choose AI Marketing Campaign. Finally, click Save or press Alt-S to record the expense. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.